Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to try and fix this lovely chain with pendants as it's broken just there and is missing a link. So we're just going to take off the clasp through there and try and use the length that we have on that pendant. First thing you have to do is to use your tweezers and just grasp hold of the link and separate it from the chain. I hope I'm in shot there and hopefully you'll be able to see it. Got another pair of pliers and I'm just going to try and separate that. It's quite small and finicky, but if you're patient and just give it a little twist. Let's see if I can see that. Oops, dropped it. See if we've managed to open that link. Nope, not at all. Let's have another go. No, it doesn't look like that one's opening, so we'll try one of the twisted links and see if that works. First we'll take the back off. Put that to the side. I hope you can see what I'm doing as it's quite small. I'm going in with the second link and seeing if that would separate. Oops. No, it doesn't look like they can be separated. Right. Second course of action, I think, is probably going to be, there's a slight join there. I'm just going to snip that and see if that will help. 1 second, we're just going to get some pliers. Right, got some pliers. Just very delicately. Can you see that? Let's make a little snip. Right, so I've snipped it there. And we can now take that off. Sorry, I keep going out of shot. Let's take that off. Yes. So finally that's come off there. And we have an open link. They're so tiny. Let's see if I can pick it up. I'm trying to show you there. It's the link. Slightly bent, so I'm just going to take my pliers and twist that in so that I have it rounded again. Hold that there. And then we're going to connect the claw, which is that there. They're quite delicate. Just link it through there. If I can hold that enough. Bear with me, I've lost it. There it is. There it is. Let's try again. Let's try and pick it up. This is so tiny. One more time. There we go. And now I've got the end of the chain. It's quite a fine chain, you can see. Hopefully I'll be able to slide this into one of the small links. Ah, there we have it. Did I get it on the last link though? I think we did. There we are. So they're both linked in there. Nice and secure. Now we just have to close up this little gap. And to hold those two together. Just twist in on one side and then the other. Hopefully I can line those ends up. So I still have a gap. Let's change my pliers to a flat nose. Are they lined up? I think I still have a small gap. Let's try again. Try and give this a little squeeze. They're not quite in sync there. I'm slightly offset, I think. Let's try and line them up. Just going to bring that down, you can see. Ah, there we go.